Hi everyone, today I am going to briefly introduce capacitors and DC current. Do you know what does it look like? Here are a few examples of capacitors. Do you know what a capacitor is? A capacitor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that stores potential energy in an electric field. How to increase the capacitance of the capacitor? The way increase the capacitance are, rolling, stacking, insertion. Which means to increase the capacitance, it same as increases the area of the capacitor. How to calculate the total capacitance in a complete circuit? When capacitor connects in parallel, the total capacitance equal to the sum of all capacitors. When capacitor connects in series, the total capacitance equal to 1 over the sum of reciprocal of each capacitor. To understand the theory of how capacitors work, we need to understand capacitance first. When we got two metal plate, one is positive, and other is negative, and we place a positive plate over the negative plate, it will generate an electric field that gives the ability to store electrons, and the larger the area of the plate the more electrons stored. Capacitance can be calculated by C equal to coulombs over volts or permittivity times area over distance. Alright, that enough talk about theory, now let's do a quick exercise. There are three capacitors connected in parallel at a circuit. The values of the capacitor are 20F, 30F, 40F. What is the total capacitance of the circuit? To solve this exercise, first we need to read the question carefully. It asks for a total capacitance of capacitors, it not the resistance of the resistor. Secondly, we need to find out the equation of capacitor connected in parallel, which is simply adds up all the capacitor. The answer is 20 plus 30 plus 40 equals 90F. Now I am going to talking about DC current. People may start questioning, where is the DC current in our lives? The home supply is AC. So where is DC? Well, all the cells are DC current, and the most electronic equipment is DC. The DC current has an advantage and disadvantage compares with AC. Advantage: it can easily store, that way all the cell are DC. It has fewer losses when transmitted from place to place. And it only required 2 lines to transmit it, which AC need more than that. The disadvantage is it cannot turn to very high voltage, and it cannot be used in the transformer as a source. Thank you for watching my video.